here's how you can make some extra money by clicking on some links on Amazon. I use a combination of Canva to create Amazon linked collages of different products or outfit ideas. Right now it's about to be Halloween, so I'm putting together Halloween costume ideas, and I got some of those ideas talking to ChatGPT, so I just did Jennifer's cheerleader outfit from Jennifer's Body. So, and then we also did a inspiration from Drew Berry in the beginning of Scream, and now we're gonna do Tiffany Valentine from Chucky. So let's go to here. We'll open up a new 4x5 Instagram portrait file, and we have the app already installed over here. If you don't, you need to add that, and it's called Amazon Creators. All we do is search for products that are similar to this look here. So what we'll do is copy that, look for it on the web for inspiration of what her outfits look like. I need a full body look for her outfit. It kind of looks like I might just need to copy that, what it says. Yeah, full leather motor jacket. So what we'll do is we'll just copy this image here. And use that for inspo, picking up the different products. So the full leather motor jacket. I like to add at least the cheaper product, just because it's for Halloween. This is good. Halloween looks good for only 27 bucks. I like that, but let's see if we can get another exclusive better.
Overheated. It's your fault I lie here bleeding. It's a little too late now. Send them through the portals. Go and meet your savior. You won't stop me. You pour salt in my wounds, replace my parts with plastic. Hijacked and jailbroken, existing but lifeless. Swear it's my last hello. Camera pans back out. They were laughing at you and me. Mercy, exceed. Mercy, exceed. This bomb is overheated. It's your fault I lie here bleeding.
So just copy that image, paste it right in here in your blog post. All linked here. And that's just how you can use Canva, ChatGPT, and Amazon to create outfit ideas that you can post on Pinterest, post on TikTok. It's all linked inside, so you don't have to manually go in and link it. But it's just a fun extra way to create extra blog posts, SEO, and drive traffic to your website. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below. Feel free to subscribe, give me a like, press the buttons for the dopamine. Thank you. And I'll be back in another video if you need it. Bye for now.